This is Johnny Hunkins with Popular Hot Rodding Magazine, and we're here with Project Nova at Outlaw Motorsports in Riverside, California. And today what we're going to be doing is replacing our floor pan on the driver's side with this Dynacorn patch panel right here. And if we go inside the car, you can see where last we showed you we were putting in the roll bar, and we discovered under here a whole bunch of rot in the floor pan. So we're probably going to just cut it right somewhere around here and replace that square. Ron Eshton is our man here behind the cutters, and he's trying to get the floor pan out. We've already used the cutoff wheel and the air chisel, and now he's trying to just get this thing removed, finding out all the places where it's still attached. Time to drill out the spot welds. More grinding now. At the top of the panel where the seams meet, there's spot welds that need to be ground down. There's also rust in between them, and you need to be real careful that you make sure you grind all of that away before you weld in your new panel. It's funny that out of that whole big panel, we only needed this little piece right here to go in that hole.
Let's try to put this thing in there. This fits. Not too bad.
Nice. Ron's going to make some holes for some spot welds now with this air tool. Well, there's the new floor pan installed, and there's the old one right there. Good riddance. Ron says that this whole thing costs about $300, and that includes about 3 hours worth of labor, and also $45 or so for the patch panel itself. Boy, what an improvement.